But the human senses don't stop at the classic five. We have hidden senses that most people never think about. Proprioception is your body's internal GPS, letting you know where your limbs are without looking. Close your eyes and touch your nose. You can do it effortlessly because of this sense. Thermoception allows you to feel temperature changes, warning you when something is too hot or too cold. Nociception is your pain sense, alerting you to potential harm. And equilibrioception, controlled by fluid-filled canals in your inner ear, keeps you balanced so you don't topple over when you walk.